Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. New Arabic Course 4, Lesson number 3, page number 26. Nu'man. وَمَاذَا تَفْعَلْنَا أَنْتُنَّ أَيَّتُهَا الْبَنَاتُ. Maza means what, taf'alna means you are doing for female plural, taf'alina you are doing singular, taf'alani you are doing dual, taf'alna you all are doing female plural, taf'alna antunna you are doing ayyatuhal banatu. Ayyatuha means oh, al banatu girls, ayyatuhal banatu oh girls. Here ayyatuha means oh, and previous we learnt ayyuha means also oh. Ayyatuha used for female person and ayyuha used for male person. Here ayyatuhal banatu oh girls. The sentence وَمَاذَا تَفْعَلْنَا أَنْتُنَّ أَيَّتُهَا الْبَنَاتُ, and what are you doing O girls? البنات the girls. لا نفعل شيئا في هذا الوقت بل لنا نية أن نذهب إلى الميدان للعب. لا نفعل sentence starts with la means negative sentence. Naf'alu means we are doing. La naf'alu we are not doing, amra korchi na. Shayyan means anything. La naf'alu shayyan we are not doing anything. Fi hazal waqti at this time, we are not doing anything at this time. Bal lana niyatun an nazhaba ila al maidani lilla'ibi. Bal means but, lana means we have, li means has, li I have, lana we have, lahu he has, laha she has. Here lana we have, niyatun means niyat intention, lana niyatun we have intention or our intention, bal lana niyatun but our intention or but we have intention, an nazhaba to go, ilal maidani to the field, lil laibi for playing. Ilal maidani to the field. If we say to the school, then ilal madrasati. Ilal baiti means to the house. Here ilal maidani lil laibi to the field for playing. The sentence bal lana niyatun an nazhaba ilal maidani lil laibi, but we have intention to go to the field for playing. Nu'man. Afaragtunna min amalil qira'ati wal kitabati. Sentence starts with a means question sentence. Faragtunna. Faraga means he got free, se free hoyeche. Faragtunna you all got free, tomra sabai free hoyecho. Here female plural, faragti, faragtuma, faragtunna. Faragti means you female singular, faragtuma you female dual, faragtunna you female plural. A faragtunna have you got free, তোমরা কি free হয়েছো? min amalil qiraati. Qiraatun means reading, পড়া. amalil qiraati work of reading. min amalil qiraati from the work of reading, wal kitabati and writing from the work of reading and writing. Have you got free from the work of reading and writing? Now page number 27. Al banatu the girls. Nahnu qara'na ad-durusa wa katabna al-wajibati walhamdulillah. nahnu means we, qara'na we read, qara'a yaqra'u, qara'a means he read সে পড়েছিল, yaqra'u he reads সে পড়ে। here qara'na we read আমরা পড়েছি, nahnu qara'na durusa, darsun means lesson, durusun means lessons, we already know this word. nahnu qara'na durusa we read the lessons, wa katabna katabna we wrote, katabtu I wrote আমি লিখেছি, katabna we wrote আমরা লিখেছি। wa katabna al-wajibati, al-wajibati means the works, walhamdulillah and all praise for Allah, alhamdulillah. the sentence nahnu qara'na durusa wa katabna al-wajibati walhamdulillah, we read the lessons and wrote the works, alhamdulillah. Nu'man ahsantunna ya banati hakaza taf'alu at-talibatul mujtahidatu ata'rifna anna ammatakunna salma marizatun mata tazhabna li ziyaratiha। ahsantunna ya banati, ahsana yuhsinu, ahsana means he did well, yuhsinu he does well, কোনো কিছু ভালো করা। ahsanta you did well তুমি ভালো করেছো। here ahsantunna you all female did well তোমরা ভালো করেছো। ya banati oh my girls, ahsantunna ya banati oh my girls you all did well। hakaza means so thus এইভাবে। taf'alu at-talibatul mujtahidatu, taf'alu means she does, talibun means student, talibatun female student, plural talibatun, talibun এর plural tullabun, talibatun talibatun, mujtahidatun means laborious, at-talibatul mujtahidatu the laborious student, taf'alu at-talibatul mujtahidatu the laborious students do so। hakaza taf'alu at-talibatul mujtahidatu the laborious students do so। ata'rifna anna ammatakunna salma marizatun, ta'rifna means you all female know, ata'rifna do you know তোমরা কি জানো, anna means that, ammatun means aunt, ammun means uncle, ammatun aunt, ammatukunna your aunt, anna ammatakunna that your aunt, salma marizatun salma means the name of aunt is salma, marizatun means sick। the sentence atarifna anna ammatakunna salma marizatun, do you know that your aunt salma is sick। mata tazhabna li ziyaratiha, mata means when কখন, tazhabna you will go তোমরা যাবে, tazhabna you female plural will go তোমরা যাবে, li ziyaratiha li means for, here three word li plus ziyaratun plus ha, li means for, ziyaratun means visit, li ziyaratin to visit or for visiting, ha means her, li ziyaratiha to visit her তাকে দেখতে, mata tazhabna li ziyaratiha when will you go to visit her। al-banatu the girls, na'am nahnu na'rifu anna ammatana marizatun সানাযহাবু লিজিয়ারাতিহা সাবাহা গাদিন ইনশাআল্লাহ। নাম, yes. নাহনু নারিফু, we know. আরিফু, I know. নারিফু, we know. আন্না means that. আম্মাতানা, our aunt. মারিজাতুন means sick. We know that our aunt is sick. সানাযহাবু লিজিয়ারাতিহা, nazhabu means we go. সানাযহাবু, we will go. লিজিয়ারাতিহা, to visit her. Sabahun means morning. Gadin means tomorrow. Sabaha gadin, tomorrow morning. Insha'Allah means if Allah wants. The sentence sanazhabu li ziyaratiha sabaha gadin insha'Allah. We will go to visit her tomorrow morning if Allah wants. Insha'Allah.